Now, initially, I'm not planning to make this video, but given that there is 1, 2, 3, and 4 people on Reddit asking about the same question, I thought maybe it is worth it making a video about it. So these people are asking the same question. They want to just get rid the news section at the bottom of the search bar, and I kind of agree with that. It's really distracting, it's annoying, and a lot of times it's not giving anything useful to you, especially if you don't really care about the news that is based in the US. I'm not even from US, but the news is almost always US centric, and most of the time they're not really affecting me, and not to mention it's kind of distracting, especially if you want to use Perplexity as a tool for a professional workflow. So how do you remove this? Well, unfortunately, there is no way you can remove this section, the news bar at the bottom of the search bar, in Perplexity. There is no setting for that. So we have to rely on a third-party tool to remove this section. And fortunately, if you're using a browser like Google Chrome or any Chromium-based browser, there is a Chrome extension that allows you to easily remove this section permanently. So when you open Perplexity again, this section, this menu, or this news would disappear. So here's how you can do it. First, let's navigate to Chrome Web Store, and then go to chromewebstore.google.com. And the extension that you should be searching for is called Click to Remove Element. This is a very useful extension to remove any element on a web page. And okay, I actually have installed this extension, so I guess I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to restart the process. Click Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. Alright, now the extension has been installed. I do recommend you to open this extension menu and then click to remove element. It's just a good practice to make the access to the extension a lot easier. And then I do recommend you to refresh the page in order to be able to enable this feature on a web page. Alright, now let's click on this extension again. And then you can select any element on the web page that you wish to remove. So I want to remove the news section. I just hover above this area and then click it. And then boom, they disappear. So I'm going to close this, and if I refresh the page, it is coming back because there is one setting that I did not enable. So make sure you enable this particular menu, the set that says remember by default. You have to enable this, and then you have to do it again. And then you can close this window and refresh the page, and it will guarantee that the news will not appear on your Perplexity homepage anymore. So that's essentially how you can remove the distraction from your Perplexity homepage. Remember, this technique can only be applied to the web version. It doesn't work on the mobile or on the desktop application. It's on the web at the moment, but hopefully in the future, Perplexity will add features to customize or even remove that news section completely. But regardless, if you want this video to be useful, or if you want to see more tutorials about Perplexity in the future, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. In any case, I wish you a great day ahead.